Welcome back to the Lightbulb series by Valkyrie Investments, where we cover crypto topics requested by you in 5 minutes or less. Today, our Chief Investment Officer, Stephen McClurg, will be giving a macro update.
This month, we got CPI numbers that reflect an even higher rate of inflation, 6.2% at this point in time. Then we had an infrastructure bill that got passed to beat inflation. So apparently the government thinks that if we spend an extra $1 trillion, inflation will go down. Well, the markets obviously reacted when that bill was signed into law this week, causing markets to go down, prices to go up, including things like gasoline, wheat, and other commodities. Even the crypto markets went down quite a bit. Bitcoin went down 8.5% this week due to a feature in that infrastructure bill that was anti-crypto. The market seemed to have come back a little bit since then, and we do expect to see crypto go much higher. We still have a price target of at least 75,000 for Bitcoin by the end of the year, possibly 100,000 by the end of Q1 of next year.
Thanks for joining us today. If you want to learn more about something in the crypto sphere, please reach out to us at lightbulb@valkyrieinvest.com. You can also find us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Disclosures. The opinions presented herein are solely of the individual and not necessarily representative of Valkyrie Investments, Inc. and their affiliates. There is no guarantee that any specific outcome will be achieved. Investments may be speculative, illiquid, and there is a risk of total loss of your investment. Past performance is not indicative of future results.